In today's video, I'm going to show you the radicals of 7 lower key in array input method. Okay, so 7 lower is letter M on your keyboard, and 7 lower we have 7-6, 7-7, and 7-8. Okay, so let's begin with 7-6. According to the fundamental key, 7 is lit and 6 is dot. Okay, so the first radical is right here. You can see 7 lit and end with dot 6. Okay, so this one also here, this one, and this one. Also this one right here. Okay, the first one 7-6. See right here 7-6-7 lit dot 6. So 7-6 is at 7 lower. We press M, 7 lower, and continue. Here's a square. So fundamental key 0 square, 0 middle, and space. First one. Continue left upper. This is 7-6, so 7 lower. And the next stroke is right here. This is a 5 right turn, so 5 middle, fundamental key. And continue here is a 2 left turn, so 2 middle. The last one, this hard is 6-6, 6 lower, space. Alright, next here 7-6 again, so 7 lower. And right here, this radical is 1-3, begins with 1 and end with 3 vertical. 1-3 is at 1 upper. The last one is wood, so cross 4 and 8. 4-8 is at 4 lower, space. Next one, the top right here is exception, so 4 cross, 4 middle. And this is also exception, 0-8, 0 lower. Continue, we have a 7 lit, 7 middle. Last one 7-6, so 7 lower and space. Alright, next one, we begin with this 3-1, 3 vertical and 1 horizontal, and 3-1 is at 3 upper. Next is the 7-6 radical, so 7 lower. Continue, we have 5 and 8, so this is a 5-8, 5 lower. Okay, we've done 3. We've go to the last one, which is right here. This is a 2-8, 2 dots, 2 left turn, 2A right here. So 2A is at 2 lower, space. Alright, the next 7-6 radical is right here. You can see 2 dots. Okay, 2 dots, 2 dots. I know this looks like an 8, but in different font. This is also a 7-6. Okay, so 7-6, 7 lower. So 1 dot or 2 dots like this, they also belong to 7-6, 7 lower. So in this case, we press 7 lower. And next we have 1-8, 1 person, 8, 1 horizontal, 8 person, 1A is at 1 lower. Continue dot 6, 6 middle, and next one, fire, 8-8, 8 lower, space. Next one right here, this is a 2-9, 2 left turn and 9 left falling. 2-9 is at 2 lower. And continue this radical 7-6, 7 lower. Next we have a cross here, cross 4, 4 middle. And then dot 6, 6 middle, space. First one. Okay, the top right here is also 7-6, 7 lower. And continue, we have a 9-1, 9 left falling, 1 horizontal, 9-1 is at 9 upper. And continue, we have a cross, so 4 middle. Okay, we've done 3. We go to the last one right here, 6 dot 6 and 8 right falling. 6-8 is at 6 lower, space. Okay, so you can see the 7-6 right here. Here we also have a 7-6, 7 lit and dot 6. Okay, so In this case, we press 1 horizontal. The first stroke is 1 horizontal, 1 middle. Okay, so in the middle right here, 7, 6, 7 lower. And the last stroke, horizontal 1 again, 1 middle, space. Okay, the next 7, 6 radical is right here. You can see 7. Here's a 7 lit, and then 3. And last one, you have 6 dots. So this radical right here and right here and goes through. Okay, these are also 7, 6. So let's take a look. So the upper part is 0, 1, 0, and 1 because this vertical is from the bottom all the way through. Okay, so the upper part we press 0, 1, 0 upper and continue 7, 6, 7 lower. And last one, 6, 8, 6 lower. And space. First one. Okay, so next one begins with 9, left falling, 9 middle. And continue. This is a square, so 0 middle. And last one, 7 lit, and this 3 gets through, and last stroke 6, so 7, 6. 7, 6 is at 7 lower. Space. First one. Okay, the next 7, 6 radical is right here without this 9 falling, left falling. Okay, so the first row is 9, so 9 middle, and the rest on the left bottom. So 7 lit and end with dot 6, so 7, 6, 7 lower. Okay, next one, this is a 6, 1, dot 6, 1 horizontal, 6, 1, 6 upper. And last row right here, last radical, this is 2 middle and space. Okay, continue 7, 7, 7 lit, 7 lit. So you can see the upper part, it begins with 7 lit and end with 7 lit. And right here, 7 lit and 7 lit. So these two are 7, 7 radical. And for this first one, bone begins with 7, 7, 7 lower. And the bottom, this is exception 7, 1, so 7 upper and space. Next one, left hand side, this is 8, 1, 8 person, 1 horizontal, 8, 1 is an 8 upper. And continue 7 and 7, 7, 7, 7 lower. And last, we have a square here, so 0 middle and space. Second one. Okay, last is 7, 8. 7, 8, we have two radicals. First one is right here. You can see and continue right here, end with 8. So you don't pick this and you type here because you're gonna pick the greater radical first. That's one of the array input method rule. Okay, so let's take a look. This one, 7, 6, 7, dot 6, 7 lit, 7, 6, 7, 6 lower. And continue is this 7, 8 radical, 7 and end with 8. Right falling, 7, 8, 7 lower. Okay, and continue. This stroke is 1 horizontal, 1 middle. And we've done 3. We go to the last one, which is 3A, 3 vertical, 8. 3A is at 3 lower and space. Next one, left hand side, this is a 5, 3, 5 upper. And continue, right upper. This whole part is a 7, 8, 7 lower. Continue, 1 horizontal. And we've done 3. We go to the last one, 3, 8, 3 lower, space. Okay, the next radical is 7, 8. Is right here, left hand side, because I right here is 7 and we have 8, so 7 and 8. Okay, so in this case, left hand side 7, 8, 7 lower. Continue, 3 vertical, 1 horizontal, 3, 1. 3, 1 is at 3 upper. And last one, square, 0 middle, space. Alright, next one. First stroke, 1 horizontal. And then right here is exception, 0 begins with 0 square and end with 8, 0, 8, 0 lower. Okay, and the last one, 7, 8, 7 lower and space. Alright, that's all for the 7 lower key radicals in array input method. 76, 77, 78. Alright, if you have any other questions, you can leave a comment down below. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.